following directions apply to wood and metal posts. Pull the cable tight alongside the position where it will be mounted. Mark the cable in accordance with the instructions included with the fittings. Cut the cable at the mark with a cable cutter. Mount the clevis to the mounting hole at the post with a button head screw and tighten with a hex wrench. Screw the lock nut onto the threads. Slide the body onto the cable. Slide the ferrule onto the cable. Leave a length of cable at the end of the ferrule that's approximately the diameter of the cable. Swedge the ferrule onto the cable. See the instructions for swedging ferrules if this is the first time you've swedged our fittings onto cable. Then turn the body onto the threads until it is finger tight. Finish tightening the cable by gripping the cable with cable gripping pliers and turning the body with an open-end wrench until the cables are tight. Tighten the lock nut against the body. The adjusted jaw will swivel up and down for runs on stairs or severe pitches.